Fake gold coins fool smart people every day. Here are the 5 things that matter. Counterfeit gold coins often look perfect because looks are easy to copy. Shine proves nothing, and a convincing finish can hide a bad core. Your best defense is boring. Specs beat gut feel every time. Fakes chase higher premium coins because the payoff is bigger, especially popular dates and common bullion. The most common trick is the wrong alloy, close in color, wrong in weight, and density. And remember, home tests help, but none are flawless alone. The fastest way to spot a fake is to treat the coin like an engineering part, not a treasure. First, identify the exact coin issue, year, mint, and type, because specs can change between versions. Then weigh it precisely and measure diameter and thickness, because counterfeiters often miss at least one dimension. Compare your numbers to official published specs, and don't confuse ounces with troy ounces. 1 troy ounce is 31.135 grams. Any mismatch is a red flag, not a rounding error. If you want stronger evidence at home, combine weight, size, and density into one decision. Use grams on a scale that reads to at least 0.1 G, then use calipers for diameter so you're not guessing. Next, calculate density. Pure gold is about 19.3 G SAMA 3, and many fakes can't get close without matching the weight and dimensions too. A simple water displacement test helps you estimate volume, and a magnet slide check can expose base metals. If results conflict, stop. Don't talk yourself into good enough. After the math, your eyes can still catch details counterfeiters struggle to reproduce consistently. The edge reading should be even with no soft or irregular cuts because sloppy tooling shows there first. Lettering and fine lines should look sharp, not melted, especially in tight corners. Compare the relief and depth to a trusted reference, since many fakes get the portrait height wrong. Watch surface texture for odd granularity or casting marks, and inspect the rim and denticles for uniform spacing. Real authentication is a stack of tests, not one magic trick. A scale and calipers usually beat cool gadgets, and skipping measurements is how bad coins slip through. Don't trust a ping test alone. Different alloys can ring, and holders can change the sound. If you escalate, know that XRF and X-ray metal scan can miss tungsten-filled coins because it reads surface composition. Clean paperwork and original packaging can matter at resale, and private deals carry higher risk, so assume you need stricter verification. If a coin misses weight, diameter, or density, even slightly, treat it as suspect and pause. If you're comparing where to buy so you can avoid counterfeits and surprise costs, the Smart Investor Gold Investing Agent matches you to providers based on your goals and shows real dollar cost differences. Free, takes about 3 minutes, and the link is in the description.